Hello, school owner. This is a demonstrated video on how to use the school result management system to save your school the cost of printing report card every academic year. In this video, I'll be showing us how to use this template. My name is Rejoice, founder of Spreadsheet Hub. Our aim is to design a simple to use spreadsheet that helps your business to manage record keeping, saving you both time and money. So this spreadsheet, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you will be the first to get notification when new videos on simple record keeping templates is being posted. So don't forget to click like and subscribe. In this first part, I will show you how to download this school result management system from your Google Drive to your computer. This template will be sent to your email. You can download it from your Google Drive. It will be sent to it will be given access to you through your email. Then you can download it from your Google Drive. And I will show you how to install your Google Drive in your computer and how you can save it, this school management system, on your Google Drive, so that in the next 1 million years, in the next 1,000 years, it still be sitting on your Google Drive on the cloud. As long as you have a Gmail account, you have a free access to Google Drive. Google Drive is free. This spreadsheet system is also a free system. And also I'll be showing you how to give your school teachers access to use it on their phone, so you can be seeing it on your laptop as they input their student data. So this school management system is designed on using Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a free app. Microsoft Excel is a software that every computer, every laptop has, and you don't need internet for Microsoft Excel to work. Okay. How to download this school management system from your Google Drive? To download this school management from your drive, because we sent to your email through your drive, open your Google browser. This is my Google browser. I have a lot of browsers. So your Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. By the side, you will see this hamburger sign here. By the side, this is an hamburger sign. You click on it. It's about 12 dots. You click on it. You see these apps. Drive. I'll click on the drive. It will open your drive. When you open your drive, you click share with me. When you click share with me, you will see your school management system sitting there waiting for you. The reason we are using Drive is because we want it to be saved on the cloud, whereby even if your laptop breaks down or you want to have access to it in another laptop, you can, as long as you sign in with your Gmail account. In any laptop you open it using your Gmail, it will be open. All you need is to sign in with your Gmail to Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. I'll open it. So you see, it's when you open it, you go to share with me. Shared with me. When you click on the shared with me, you see this file sitting there waiting for you. So the reason we are using Google Drive is for this software or this system to be saved for you as a school owner, so that in the next million years, in the next 1,000 years, whenever you sign in with this Google account or with this Chrome, you can still find your school management system. Even if you sign in using another computer, you will still see it, as long as you are still using the same Gmail to sign in to your search button, to your Gmail. So if you don't have a Gmail, please create a Gmail for your school, or we can also help you create a Gmail for your school. So it's important your school have a Gmail account, and then in your system you create a Gmail account for your school. Gmail is free. Google Drive is free. You don't need to pay any money to use them. Okay, so this is our school management system sitting in our shared folder. I'll click on it to download. You see these three dot that says more actions. I'll click on it. I will download it. So I want it to download into my laptop, my computer, so that I can use it offline and also use it online. So let me download it to be offline. So it's scanning for virus. So when it's done scanning for virus, it has downloaded. So if I go to my computer, I will see it. So let me go to my system downloads. So this is it here on my system download. So now we have downloaded this school result management system out of our Google Drive, and now it's sitting on our computer offline. So the next thing is to install Google Drive on our computer. To install Google Drive, you need to install Google Drive if you want to collaborate with your teachers. If you want your teachers to, while they are inputting their data on their system or on their phones, you at your own, where you are, you'll be viewing it on your system. Teachers are using the phone to input data and you are viewing it on your system. That is why it's important for us to download Google Drive. So I will send us a link to download Google Drive, or you also go to your just type Google Drive download. So you scroll down to download, but I will be sending us below this video. You will see this link. I will be dropping this link below the video. You will see this link. Just click on it. It will lead you to download Google Drive and install it on your computer. So this is how I will download and install. So I'll click on it to download Google Drive for desktop. So it's done downloading. I'll click on open file. I'll open the file. If you click on open the file, click on yes. So I've already downloaded, I've already installed this version of Google Drive is already installed. So it has been installed on my own, but you have to follow the prompts it will be giving you to click yes, and to get to a place where it will ask you to install. So when you ask you to install it on your phone. So let me show us how to set it up. So let's see how to set it up and send our school management resource system so we can be able to give access to teachers to use it. So I'll go to my drive to set it up. My Google Drive, I need to set it up. So welcome to your Google Drive. Get started. So here, you already have a Gmail account for your school, right? If you already have a Gmail account for your school, then you sign in. Click here to sign in. So click here. When you click to sign in, it will bring out the Gmail account that is in your system, or the one you opened for your school to choose, right? But if you don't have any Gmail account for your school, you can create one. This is how you will create one. When you click on your Google Drive, when you have already installed it, to set it up, I said that you sign in with your school Gmail account. If your school don't have Gmail account, if you want to use a personal one, fine. But I will advise you use your school Gmail, so that when your teacher sees it, they will know it's coming from the school where they teach. So if you don't have, you can create. So I will click create an account. We want to create a Gmail account so that we can use it to run our Google Drive. So choose your name. I'll choose the name of my hub. The name here, last name here is optional if you want to. I'll click next. The next, you choose any date, either the date of your school, the dates you started your school. You can input the date you started your school. Then you choose gender. Then when you finish those, it will suggest for you. It will suggest Gmail account for you. So I would advise you go with the one they suggest for you, as long as it has your school names, the names you have entered. It has it. So if you look at spreadsheet hub1@gmail.com, spreadsheet hub356@gmail. So I'll go with the easiest one that I can easily remember and give to people if I want them to send email for me. But if you don't like the one they have suggested for you, you can click here. You can click here and create your own Gmail address, but I will go with the one they have suggested for me. So I'll choose this one, spreadsheet hub1@gmail. I'll click next. I will choose a password for myself. I'll choose a password. So I have choose the password, then I'll write next. Then you'll be asked to choose a phone. Okay, they will send a code. So you input that code. So input the code sent to you, then you click next. Then you add a recovery email. You can add your personal email so that when you forget your password, you can use that personal email to recover the email of your school, recover the password of the email of your school. Or if you don't want it, you can skip it, okay? I'll use my personal email as my recovery email. I'll click next. But if you don't want, click skip. So now my Gmail is ready. So we have created a Gmail. We will use it to set up our Google. Remember that we are trying to set up Google Drive on our desktop, on our computer, so that our school teachers can be able to collaborate with us as they enter data from their phone. We'll be viewing it on our laptop or on your phone as well. So if you want to also view it on your phone as well, using, it's either you have your school Gmail to the mail on your phone, or you add your email to the school email. So I will copy my Gmail so that this is my Gmail. I'll copy so that I can use it to set up my Google Drive. Next, click next. Oh yes, agree to the terms. Voila, we have created a Gmail account. Very easy. Your teachers can also follow this prompt to create Gmail for themselves. All they need to do is go to the Google, type create Gmail. They'll follow the prompt and create a Gmail for themselves. Every teacher must have a Gmail to be able to collaborate with you. So let's go to our drive. This is my drive. So let me now sign into my drive. So I'll be using this Gmail that I just created now. Sign in. So success, you have signed into your Gmail Google Drive. To continue using the Google Drive, close and return to the Google Drive. So we have signed into the Google Drive, so now we can use it we can now use it on our system. So it's setting up Google Drive for my desktop, like for my computer. I don't want to quit. It's trying to back up every file I have on my system, but I don't want to do it. So our second assignment has been accomplished, to install Google Drive on our computer. So you have successfully installed Google Drive on the computer. So how do we now save our school management system that we have downloaded to our computer on our Google Drive? So what you will do is go to your computer, go to your download. So if you look by the side, you will see your Google Drive. This is our Google Drive. You open it, you see my drive. So you've created it and it's empty because there is no file on it. So what you will do is go to where your school management system is, where you've downloaded, where you have it on your system, okay? Go to where you have your school management system, where you have it on your computer. This is where I have it on my computer. I'll click open. So it's opening. Let's wait for it to open. We want to save it on our Google Drive. It has opened. How do we, when it's open, go to the file, because we have it there, it is on protected view. We want to save it on our drive before we now give it access to start working on our computer. As it is now, it is not working on your computer. If you want it to work without using the Google Drive, just click on enable editing. You will start using it. You will remove it from the protected view, because when you enable editing, that means you are sure that you know where this file is coming from. You trusted the person that sent this file to you. So all our templates are virus free, okay? So if you enable it, it has no effect on your system. But we don't want to enable it now because we want it to be on our Google Drive for easy collaboration with our teachers. So I will go to file. I have opened it. I will go to file and I will click. So I will enable editing. So all our files has no virus. So enable editing. So when you enable editing, it will reopen again. All right. Okay, it has reopened. Then I'll go to file. When it's reopened, you'll be seeing this. Don't worry about it. We have to save it on our own computer so that this is you giving it access to your computer using your Google Drive. So let's save as. Click on save as. Where do you want to save it? Depend on your laptop. Just browse to where you save it. Click on my browse. I don't know your computer setting, but some tells you go to your computer. So I will go to my browse. I'll look for my Google Drive. This is my Google Drive because I want to save it to my Google Drive. I'll click on my Google Drive and I will click on it and click save. So we are saving it on the Google Drive. So it's done saving. We have to close this one. So we have to close it. Let's go back to our Google Drive. Search where you have your own Google Drive. Let me search. Okay, this is my Google Drive. You look for where your own Google Drive is on your computer. The one you just downloaded and installed and set up now. This is the one. I'll click on it. So if you open it, you see your school management system is now on the cloud. Okay, so this gives your teachers access. So I'll open it. So I'm opening the drive, the school management system that is on the drive and not the one that is on the laptop. Remember, you now have it two, one on the laptop and one on your Google Drive. So you have to be using the one on your Google Drive if you want to see what the teachers are doing from your own end. So you see, it's telling you save to edit. See who is editing this Office file, Microsoft Office file in your Google Drive. So you see now you can see if others are editing this file, all this Microsoft, they can see it. They also give you a alert when it's safe to edit, when you should wait and there is a new version available. So all this is just make sure to click continue as spreadsheet, so that meaning that you accept that you want this file to remain there. Okay, so I will click continue with spreadsheet hub. I'll click to continue. Oh, now I have not shared it with anybody. It's still on my own end. I have not given anybody access to it. So I will come here to now enable. When I enable this content, that is when I can now start using it. So I'll click enable. Voila, our template is ready, sitting on our computer. Whenever we want to edit it, we can edit it anytime, anywhere. So the last in this video is giving our teachers access. Giving teachers access, teachers will not have access to the whole system. The teachers will have access only to the templates you give access to the teachers, okay? And to give teachers access to the template, you have to download that template. You have to export the template because the teachers are using their phones. So you need to export it so that it will reduce the weight it have so that the weight of the templates will be reduced for them to be able to edit on their own phone, right? So let's go back to the one we opened. This is the one we opened. So when you are done with this, you'll be asked to sign in. Okay, so now we have to sign in to the class we have to sign in. So I want to give primary 3 teacher or primary 1 teacher template to input their student score for the third term results. Okay, so I will log in. So remember that you have the ability to change their password and their login username. Login successful. So what we opened is only primary 1. So everything that will be open here is primary 1 results. Okay, so when you receive this template, you'll be receiving an empty template. So it's for you to install your school name. So how do I give teachers access to this template? The first thing you will do is export this template. When you export it, that is when you can give to teachers. Okay, so I have to export this sheet so that the teachers can use it on their phone to. Okay, I will export it. Click on export. It will export this template. Then you can be able to give it to your teachers. Okay, teachers can have access to the whole of this template. The only thing they need is the spreadsheet where they input their students results. Okay, so I will export this template. Remember that you'll be having an empty template. Okay, if I want to clear this template, I can clear all the scores, but before then we'll go back to there. So I will export this template. You see, if you export it, it's bringing you to your Google Drive where the first the main result managers, where the main file is. So now we want to break this file down to the smaller parts so we can send to teachers. So maybe we are in third term, so I want to export the third term report to give to primary 1 teachers to input their student scores. So I will export it. I'll click on export. You see, it's exporting as the name of primary 1 score sheet third term. The reason the reason it's bearing this name is because when you want to import it back into the system, you will know this is the one I am importing into it. Okay, so I'll click save. Okay, it has been exported. Now, how do I now give a teacher access to this sheet to use on their phone? So when you right click on the template, you see share. That is the number 1 way to share it. I'll click here. Then you put the teacher's email. Okay, then another way, you put the teacher's email or you share to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. I will click. If you have WhatsApp on your phone, I'll click it as, then I'll either you drop a message. This is result for your class. You can input your student data before 24th of July. I'm giving them instruction of what for the deadline so that they will not be doing it anyhow. So I've given an instruction. I'll click send. It has been shared to my WhatsApp. If I open my WhatsApp on my laptop or on my phone, I will see it. As me, that is my teacher, I will see it. Let me open I'll also show it on my phone. So you see, this is it. It has been shared to the teacher and the instruction with the teacher. So the second way to share this file, okay, go to your browser, sign in with the school name you just opened, or if you already have the school name, make sure that the browser you are signing in have the same Gmail you used in setting up your Google Drive on your computer. So I'll sign in with the email address I used. So this is the email I used to set up the Google Drive on my desktop. Okay, let's confirm we are not a robot. Then verify. Next, my password. You have signed into your browser with the Gmail, your school Gmail you used in setting up your Google Drive on your desktop. Then you say I am in to synchronize it. Okay, now let's go back. Now this is our browser, because now the browser is now created using our school Gmail. So let me go to our drive. Click on the hamburger sign, go to the drive. You see, this you have on your browser, on your drive on your browser, is the same file that is sitting on your computer, Google Drive. So if you have a look at it, so this is the file. This one is offline, while this one is online. Okay, so the first access we give was giving the teacher, sharing it on their WhatsApp using the offline version we have on our computer. Now we want to share it on using the school browser. So I would advise we use the school browser when sharing to teachers, because when they are inputting it, it's very easy and it's faster for you to see it. Okay, the one offline takes time to synchronize. The one offline takes time it takes time for you to see it. Okay, so what I want to do now is, now we want to share it using our school browser. So we have signed into our school browser, browser. I will share this file to my school teacher. So this is where the school teachers or the class teacher email address will be needed. So remember, we are still want to give access to third term. I will click on it and I'll click share. It's loading. So I'll click share. You will put the teacher's email address. But if you have more than one teacher in a class that teaches different subjects, a teacher teaches French, another one teaches whatever and all that, so you have to input their email. The reason you have to input their email, so that this file will be seen only by them, so that another person will not input a data that is not supposed to be in first term. It's supposed to be in primary 1 score sheet. Okay, so this is the email, so I will drop a note for the teacher or the teachers. So if you want to drop, you can still type another email here, so they can send their emails to you on your WhatsApp. You just copy it and paste it on it. So this is the first email I want to send to another person, to two different teachers in the class. So this is it. You give them editor. If you set it to viewer, they will not be able to do anything on it. If you keep it as the tormentor, they will not do it. So if you give them editor, they'll be able to input their student report. So I'll put them out. This is your class spreadsheet. Kindly, this is your class spreadsheet. Kindly input your student data. So at the beginning of school term, you can share all the spreadsheet for the term to these class teachers as their academic year is going. They are inputting data. They wouldn't wait to the end of the term before they will start inputting data. If they do their test, instead of recording on a paper, they are using the spreadsheet to input data of each of their students. So at the end of the academic year, it should be just their result, their exam. They input it and submit. While they are inputting, you are seeing it. So I will send it. So when the teacher goes to their Gmail account, they will see it on their Gmail and then click on it. it will be asked to choose email, so that teacher will be able to choose the same email that he used to you that you gave them access with. So let's go to my phone to see my email. So this is on my phone on the screen. So I'll go to my email. I think every Android phone has an email. So you have sent this to this class teacher's email. They have to go to their email to open it. So remember that first of all, first thing we did, we send it to their WhatsApp. Assuming you send the report, the spreadsheet to them on the WhatsApp. Let's have a look at the one you sent on the WhatsApp and how they can use it. So go to where. So this is the one you sent to them on the WhatsApp, remember? So I'll click on it. It will automatically open. The reason it opened is because I have Google Drive. I will show us. If you want them to use it, as you send it to your WhatsApp, you want them to open it on their WhatsApp, okay? They will have to download Google Sheet. This is my sheet, a Google Sheet, all right? So teachers should download Google Sheet. It's an app on a phone, on an Android phone. Whether you're using Android or you're using Apple phone, they should download it on this app, Google Sheet. If you go to your Play Store, this is Google Sheet. Don't install this first one. Install this. If you look at it, see the one that I've already installed, so it will ask me to open. So this is Google Sheets. So when they have download this Google Sheets on their phone, as they are in typing those data, you are seeing it on your desktop. You are seeing it on your computer. Then that of their email. Let's go to the one you sent on email. Remember, we tested the one you just opened the one you sent on WhatsApp for them. As when you want to send it to all the teachers on their WhatsApp for them to open it. You don't want to take the stress of sending it to them using email. You sent it on their WhatsApp. So we have opened these WhatsApps. So if they have to open it on their WhatsApp, they have to download the Google Sheet I just showed us. This Google Sheet here, from the Play Store, they can download Google Sheet. This is the Google Sheet, and open it. So if they open it, they will see the spreadsheet. They will open the spreadsheet and it will be here on their phones. So whenever they type something, so let's go to the one you sent to them on the email. So I'll go to my email and open my email. Okay, this is the one you sent to emails. So I will click to it to open it. So this is it. From my score, if you have a look, you see this. Remember that this is on my phone. I will click open. So if you see the instruction you give, this is your class spreadsheet. Kindly input your student data. So I'll click on it to open. Now let's have a look on how the teacher is inputting on their spreadsheet on their phone, and you at your own end, you are seeing it on your phone. Okay, I want to share my screen, my laptop and my phone, so that we will have a look and see. So we'll have a look and see when a teacher is inputting at their own end, you are seeing it at your own end. Remember I said your teacher needs to have a Gmail account, then 2, download Google Sheets on their phone. Okay, have a Gmail account, then download Google Sheets on their phone. This app is free. They don't need to pay for it. Gmail is free. They don't need to pay for Gmail. Okay, everything you are using is free. Go to your browser, then open the sheets you shared with your teacher, so that we'll have to have a look. So if you look here, you will see how many people you have given access to the sheet. Okay, so look at the people I have given access to the sheet. So let me open it. So I will see as teacher is inputting on her phone, like this is my phone on the screen here, and I'll open it on the school browser on my laptop, so that when this teacher is inputting, I am seeing it, or you managing the school system is seeing it at your own end. So I'll open it. So I will advise you use the one in your school browser, so that it will be fast to synchronize. So this is my laptop screen, and this is my phone screen. Okay, this is my phone screen. Let me show you so you see. This is my own phone screen. This is the app on my phone, so is my screen on my phone. Okay, let's start with the name. Let's start with the name. So all the teacher needs to do is click on the cell and type using the phone keyboard. Let me type the name. So as they type, they click on this good here. So if you see, I have typed on my phone and it's showing here. So we have typed the first name, Choma. So let's type another name. Let's type another name. So this is my screen. So this is how you too will be seeing it at your own system. As they type wherever they are, you are seeing it on your own system. So I will type, as long as you follow the video from the beginning to the end to set up the Google Drive on your system, your school browser on your laptop. So whatever they are doing at their own end, you are seeing it on your system. Wherever they are, you are seeing it on your system. As long as you follow the video, you downloaded the Google Drive on your system, you used your school email address, then use the same email address you used to download Google Drive on your system, use it to open a browser, then go to the Google Drive on that browser and share this to your teachers. Then your teachers must have an email and a Google sheet on their phone. So let's type another one. Mohammed. So I'll click. So if you look at my laptop here, Mohammed has entered. If you see on my phone screen, the Mohammed I just typed has just entered. So as I'm typing here, it's going in here. As the teacher is now typing, you are seeing it, okay? So let's go to school score. Let's go to the student score, Mohammed. So the numbers are validated. All they need to click is click on the cell. When they click on the cell, the numbers, you see these numbers will come out. The student number, the numbers will come out for them to choose their student score. So I will choose, maybe the person score first CA is 5. I will choose 5. I'll click again to choose the second CA. The second CA is 6. Depending on what your school is using. If your school is using first and second CA, there is no need going for third CA. Then I'll go for exam. The student exam scored 25. That is 36. And automatically, as the teacher is entering, automatically it's calculating, and you are seeing it at your own end. The next subject, math, I will choose first test, second test 14, depending on the grading your school is using. Then exam, called exam 51. So that is how the teachers will be entering this data. All they do is enter the student score, agric. I'll enter agric, and it will also calculate for me. I'll enter agric. It will also be the same way it will be doing the calculation for teachers. So all I wanted to show us is to see how the teachers will be inputting the score from their phone. You are seeing it at your own end. Okay, so I will do a separate videos for your teachers that you will give to teachers to watch, and they will watch it and see how they can use it on their phone. So you are seeing it, them they are using it, you are seeing it at your own end. So when they are done, you see this good here, they will click on it to save it. I'll click on it. It is saved. So let's go to your system. So if we'll have a look at your system, You see all this called Choma Ada and Mohammed Sani, the names I just entered there, and the scores I just inputted now is here. If you go to your drive on your system, if you go to the drive on your system, remember the drive we have. Let me type drive on my system. I'll open the drive on my system. Remember the here. Then this drive and the one in your school browser is working, is three of them. The one in your the teacher has, the one sitting on your desktop, and the one sitting on your browser is working together. Okay, so you are viewing from two places. You are viewing from the browser, your school browser, and you're also viewing from your computer. Okay, so you're viewing from your school browser in the sense that if you are not on your computer, you are on your phone, you can view it on your phone. Then when you come back to your computer, you can also view it on your computer using the one that is sitting on your computer or the one sitting on your browser on your computer. Okay, so let's open it on here. So this is my computer now. Let me open and see what was typed on the phone. Okay, let's see it on our computer. So you see what was typed on the phone is here on my computer. I just opened it. If you remember, I opened it and it's sitting on the computer here. See, so this is how to collaborate with your school teachers as the type you are seeing it at your own end. So if you have question, we are here to answer your question. Please, if you find this video valuable, please like, comment, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe so that when we upload the next video on how to use the template or on how your teachers can use this template on their phone, you can actually be the first to get notification. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye.